In last video, we were able to hang to the ledges, and in this video, we are going to see how we can grab ledge if we are above the roof. Let's put our player above the roof first. Now, let's create a script and name Roof Ledge Detection. Also, let's copy some variable from our previous script like ray amount, ray length, and ray offset. Create a for loop in update method. In this video, we are going to reverse the ray cast direction. In for loop, make a vector 3 for ray position, and we are going to give ray a little height and ray offset in forward direction. And in debug draw, ray, give the ray direction to downwards, and cast the ray, and break the for loop if ray hit the ledge, and also add player climb script to this script so we can use its functions. Now, add the script to player and change the values to your need. Here you can see our ledge rays are working now. Head back to Code Editor and go to our player climb script and change this line. And go to our roof ledge detection script and cast another ray for our player hanging position. For second ray position, I am giving it a little distance from first ray hit point, and also for its direction. It will be the opposite direction of the ledge. Head back to Unity and here make sure your ledge is facing outward direction. Now let's play and check if our rays are casting in right direction. So it is casting in right direction. And now let's cast the ray and draw a sphere to check the forward ray hit position. So now if we play, you can see a sphere at the forward hit point where our player will hang. Now, head back to Code Editor and write some code to play the animation. Also, let's set up the animation. Here, make the same setting as me, and make transition to hanging idle. Here, we also going to make is climbing true and change the player state to climb state. And now, let's match the hand position, so copy the same code from before and change its name to drop to free hang. For giving the position for target matching, add our roof ledge detection script to player climb script. And in target matching, give the position forward hit dot point. We also want to rotate the player when it's hanging to the ledges, so just copy rotation code from before and paste where we are dropping from ledge. Also, the hit name is same, so there is no need to change the name. Now, let's head back to Unity and check if it's working. Here, after pressing the button, it is not working properly because of the button, so change the button. For now, we will fix this later in this video. Now, let's check if it's working. It is working. Okay. But its hand position is not correct, that we will going to fix soon. Now, to fix button problem, create a bool to check if our player is detecting the roof ledge. If it is then our player climb script, climb button will not work. Here also, we are going to check Ray if player is not climbing. Here I forgot to change the animation name, so make sure to write the right name. Also, the matching time, same as me, or according to your animation. Now let's check how it's working. So here all things are working except hand position matching to the ledges. So, let's try changing some values. Here, let's create another 2 variables for this animation to match the ledge like we did in our previous video. Here I am trying changing values until it grabs the ledge correctly. So now we are able to grab the ledge correctly. Okay, you can copy mine values if it's working for you, or you can change according to your need. let's change the adjust the time when player is rotating. So this is it for this video. In coming videos, we are going to make player hop up and down, also player move on the ledges. To make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video.